Automated guided vehicle, AGV, are used widely in the factory automation. They are responsible to transport goods from one location in the factory to another. They do this autonomously, and they are using a driving of 3 or 2 motors. In this example, we are using 3 motors driving omni-wheels. The advantage of this omni-wheels is that you have an omnidirectional AGV that can go in each direction without turning. In the reference design we have here, we are using different types of Toshiba components, including microcontrollers, gate drivers, and MOSFETs. You can adjust the power requirements of the motors due to the different types of MOSFETs, and of course you can also tune the motors very efficiently with a program called Motor Studio. If you have further questions or queries, please contact us. The link is down below.